Welcome to my channel. I'm Maniac, and I'm about to deep dive into the two trades we took today on Bitcoin. We actually didn't have any trades today on NASDAQ, which I was kind of surprised. We didn't get tapped into the one that we had a setup on, and that's okay. Today was pretty choppy, just like yesterday, which was Monday. And yeah, but we were able to catch some really solid trades on Bitcoin. I'm about to break them down and show you the confluences, show you what we saw, and what was the actual P&L ended up on the paper trading for Bitcoin. Because remember, we're trying to paper trade Bitcoin to then get the month green so that we can start live trading and make sure this model really works and that I'm doing it properly. So let's dive into the trades that we took today. We took two trades today on Bitcoin. One was a loser and one was a winner, but the winner ended up outweighing the loser, which ended our day green. So I was super stoked about that, super happy with the results. Let's break it down. So the first trade that we took today was a long. I did not like it. I'll just be straight up with you. This is market open here at the top up here. And as you can see, price displaced down, kept displacing down, and then tapped into London low. Now, why did I go long even though I didn't like it? One, if my model forms, why would I ignore that? Why would I ignore that, right? We had a beautiful sweep of liquidity on the 1 and the 5 minutes. So if you go up to the 5 minute time frame, you go to the 5 minute time frame, beautiful sweep of liquidity. We failed to displace and we pushed up. And on the 1, it was the picture perfect sweep of liquidity. So I was very happy with that. We displace up, create an order block up here, then displace through it, leaving us a fair value gap and our unicorn model that we set up. I took the model because I relentlessly execute. Even though I might not love it, I'm still gonna take the model because if it went all the way back up to here, I would have loved it, right? And I didn't want to miss out on the trade. So we took the trade. I didn't love it. There was a 5 minute fair value gap, a massive 5 minute fair value gap right here. We tapped into that and then immediately formed a bearish unicorn. I closed here on this candle early on this trade because I saw the bearish unicorn setup, and I would much rather take the short rather than going long. We also had a nice sweep of liquidity here on the 1. And if you go to the 5 minute, right, tap into the 5 minute fair value gap and then displaced off of it. And I was like, okay, I'm willing to take this short. I'm willing to go short here. It's the one I would prefer to take. So I closed my trade, the long, early. Here's the P&L on that long. We took a $36.21 loss. Not bad at all. That's not even a full R loss. A full R loss is about $50. And then let's talk about the short, right? So we get the short. We tapped into that higher time frame fair value gap. We displace off that fair value gap, leaving us the bearish unicorn. Boom. I put my sell limit on the entry in the top of that breaker block or bottom of that breaker block. Stops go to the 5 minute order block. And my target was Asia low down here. And boom. As you can see, we hit that perfectly, trailing 5 minute order blocks. I was super bummed because I had a full TP down here at day low. We were displacing through Asia low, like super well. It was looking solid. Stops at this 5 minute order block that was up here. And I was like, okay, I went to the gym. I was like, all right, day low should hit. And worst case scenario, we get stopped out and our stop loss is in profit anyways. And I'm so bummed because literally once I left and set that up, price didn't do like jack. It literally just consolidated. Never went to day low. I thought for sure it was going to go to day low, especially after the displacement on this high here. I was super bummed. We didn't get to take the full TP on Bitcoin. But hey, profit is profit. I'm very happy with it. Here is the P&L on that trade. We ended up making $90.32 on this trade in total. So we're green about $54 for the day. Not bad at all. And we were also green from last night's trade that we took on Bitcoin during Asia session 2. So the account is growing nicely, and hopefully we can finish the month green for September on this model. I'm liking the results. Okay, I'm liking it. If you wait for those suits of liquidity and watch out for those higher time frame point of interest, like a fair value gap or something, man, this model is working out very well. I'm very, very happy with it, and very excited to see how it goes. If you guys would like to use WEEX, that's the exchange I do all my paper trading on and will be doing my live trading and copy trading on once we get this out of the way. And I highly recommend them. I really love the exchange. Use the link down below or the link in my bio. Go sign up for WEEX and you can use them too. Right now, we're doing a special 20% deposit bonus, and you also get some futures bonuses too on top of that. You can see in the top left-hand corner, you'll see like the rolling ads of some of the things that I promote and have affiliate links to. So go ahead, sign up for those, take advantage of them. And if you have any questions, please join my Discord. I would love to help you out, or just leave a question down below in the comments. And again, any questions on these videos, please leave them down in the comments, or just join us live when we live stream every single morning at market open, and come ask questions while I'm literally trading live with you. So take advantage of those. We will be trading live tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and there's red folder news tomorrow. So I'm happy. We should be getting some pretty good price action tomorrow. I'm stoked for that. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and follow me on my social profiles. I'll post trade recaps. I post things throughout my day. I'm going to start trying to post some day in the life, just so you guys can kind of get to know me, not just getting the trading stuff. And so, yeah, I'm going to try to be very, very active on my social media platforms across everything now. In September, that was one of my goals. I want to post at least 3 to 5 videos a day. So I'm pretty excited about this next journey. I'm excited about this trading journey. I feel like I'm starting to break through into being a very consistently profitable trader, and it's just a matter of time. It's not an if, it's a when. So, all right, everyone, I'll see you tomorrow morning at market open, and I hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday.